What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Stash app. Stash is a financial technology and services company that offers a personal finance app, making investing easy and affordable for millions of Americans. With a subscription model, users can access robo-advice, retirement, banking, individual investment, and custodial accounts. Stash's Smart Portfolio is named the top-performing robo-advisor of 2023, and the company also provides the Stock-Back Card, a debit card that earns users up to 1% in stock when they spend at a public company. Stash investment app Liberty is an investment app that helps users invest in their future tax-free by saving small amounts of money every day via an app. Now, let's take a look at some of its advantages. Stash's mobile app allows users to deposit checks by taking a photo and uploading it. It features early direct deposit, recurring transfers, and integration with the Stock-Back Card. The app provides real-time alerts, card lock and lock, and FDIC-insured deposits up to $250,000 through Stride Bank. It has no overdraft, minimum balance, or hidden fees. Stash's Smart Portfolio is a robo-advisor that provides users with a diversified portfolio based on their goals and risk profile. It actively monitors and manages the account, automatically rebalancing to keep investment up to date. Smart Portfolio is included in a Stash subscription with no management or add-on commission fees. Stash allows users to invest in stocks, ETFs, and more with personalized advice along the way. Users can choose from thousands of investments and get started at any amount. Stash also offers fractional shares of favorite companies with unlimited trading. The Stash way is about investing regularly, diversification, and investing for the long term. The Stock-Back Card is a debit card that rewards users with stock as they spend. Users can earn up to 3% stock back with every purchase, up to $1,000 per month. The card can be used at well-known brands or local businesses with a default investment for local or privately owned companies. The card has no overdraft or minimum balance fees. Stash provides financial education through Stash 101, a free financial education platform. Users can access market insights, educational articles, and tips from financial advisors to invest with confidence. Now, let's talk about its potential drawbacks. Stash offers a wide range of stocks and ETFs, but users may not have access to the full range of investment options available on other platforms. This may limit their ability to diversify their portfolio or invest in specific sectors or companies. Stash operates on a subscription model, which may not be suitable for all investors. While the fees are relatively low compared to traditional financial advisors, they can add up over time and may eat into investment returns. Stash offers customer support through email and chat, but it may not be available 24/7. This may be a drawback for users who prefer phone support or need immediate assistance with their account. In conclusion, Stash offers a user-friendly platform for affordable investing with features like automated investing through its Smart Portfolio, a variety of investment options, the innovative Stock-Back debit card, and valuable financial education resources. While it has strengths such as accessibility and low fees, potential drawbacks include limited investment options, subscription fees, and customer support limitations. Overall, Stash provides a convenient way for users to start investing, but individuals should consider their specific needs and preferences before committing to the platform. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.